Tricep dips are one of the simplest and most effective bodyweight moves to build arm strength and definition. All you need is a bench or sturdy surface. Just focus on form, keep your elbows tight, and feel the burn in your triceps, not your shoulders. Let's get to it. Put your feet in front of you, slightly bend your knees. Put your palms on the edge of a bench, make it comfortable. Head neutral, and get your back as close to the bench as you can. Start moving down all the way until you get full range of motion, and press your elbows all the way up until you fully lock them out. If it's too hard at the beginning, you can bend your knees even more or shift your feet closer to you and work your way up. Continue. You don't want to feel it in your shoulders, you want to feel the back of your arms or tricep. That's the primary muscle of this exercise. Once it becomes too easy, you can start adding weight on your lap and make it more challenging. Good luck.